Hello everyone, it's the Hobby Dabbler. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a bunch of household junk and turn it into some patterned or painted tissue paper to use for your collage work in your art journals and your mixed media. So it just looks like a bunch of random objects, but they can all be used to make different patterns on your tissue paper. So get a piece of tissue paper, get some black paint or whatever color paint you want and kind of smear it around on a page, and then start dipping your items into the paint, and then just start dabbing. So that one makes a neat circle that's kind of spotty. Let's see, this is a little table, a toy from my kids collection, and it has 4 dots on the back, so I'm going to use that. See how that does. Okay, that's cool. Let's see, this is a scrubby brush, so get that painted up and see how that does. Oh, that one's really neat. I like that one. Okay. Let's see how my son's little car does. Get his tires all painted up and whoop. There we go. And of course, I'm gonna wash all of his toys off so he doesn't get mad at me later. This is a pipe cleaner. So this does little wispies. You could do it in a circle. I think I need another piece of tissue paper because this one's looking kind of nice. Okay, we'll try another one. I'll rip it in half. There we go. I'm going to do more wispies. So there's a pipe cleaner. Here's just a toothbrush. So we'll see. So that makes a nice brush mark. And one of my son's Duplo. I like this one because I know it makes nice circles. What else can we use? Let's use a toilet paper roll. Nice. So it doesn't have to be fancy. Look around your house. Find stuff that you think has interesting texture and just dip it in paint and have at her. And I'll show you what I do with it after the fact. I'll just take a minute to dry it. Okay, now that my tissue paper is all dry, I'm going to take it and I'm going to rip it into chunks that I'm then going to add to my journal. This was the background that I made with my saran wrap. And then I'm going to take some gel medium. This brand is Handy Art. That one I got off of Amazon. Okay, just give me a sec. I'll grab my paintbrush. And the nice thing about this is that when you already have a painted background, the tissue paper is going to go kind of translucent. So you're not going to ruin the effect of the background by adding this over top. Usually I like to do my collage work first before I put any paint down. But this time around, I'm doing it backwards. So it adds some texture, it adds some almost stamp-like features to your work. And I know you can go out and you can buy tissue paper that's already printed, and that stuff is really lovely. But I kind of like the effect of the homemade stuff because you're not going to reproduce it. Oops, sorry. You know? So rip it up into bits and stick it on your page wherever you like. I do here. And you can still see the paint through, which I think is really nice. So, there we go. I'm going to add some more later, but for now, that'll do. I hope you try it out. Just go through your house and find anything that looks like it has some fun texture, a neat shape, just anything. Junk, go outside and find stuff. Give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye!